Those little tomatoes, are those from the property?
These have a special name, but I call them champagne tomatoes because they remind me of bubbles, champagne bubbles. And I think they are really a unique form of tomato. I've never seen it before.
Did you buy them or are they made?
No, wait till I show you where they're growing. They are going crazy, and they get no water.
Let's go film.
Let's do it. So now we just have taro in there, but it's still my mom's water world. Rhode Island Reds and one white chicken, and then I've got, and there's Jack, little Jack.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we have okay, and little baby over there somewhere, the little white one.
I built the coolest.
I love the auditory thing.
The water, yeah.
Oh wait, there's nobody home.
Folks, here's where the champagne tomatoes are. That's what you're calling them, right?
Yeah.
Look at them all.
I mean, they're everywhere, and because that was the only thing that would keep him down from running away.